name's Greg Fox. I'm an equine veterinarian. I heard about the PiezoWave technology through a broker, and he said, look, you got to consider this because this technology doesn't require you to send the probes in to be rebuilt every, I don't know, 20,000 clicks or something like that. I began to commit more and more time and effort to understand the extent to which shockwave therapy through the PiezoWave could help manage horses that have sore backs, sacroiliac pain, and gluteal pain. Lowest hanging fruit. It will help horses get through chronic sore muscles. Simple, easy to do, might take a few minutes, but you're going to get a result. You can adjust the system to treat anything in the horse's body. You just have to know where the problem is, what the anatomy of the area is, and then figure out what offset pad best directs and focuses the treatment. Okay?